How do Windows virtual desktops manage graphical contexts? Imagine having multiple workspaces on your computer, each with its own set of open windows and applications. You might wonder how Windows keeps everything running smoothly behind the scenes when you switch between these virtual spaces. Well, it all comes down to how Windows handles graphical contexts. Windows virtual desktops are mainly about organizing your workspace, not creating separate graphical environments. When you open a new virtual desktop, Windows doesn't make a new set of graphics resources or a separate GPU for it. Instead, all desktops share the same graphical system and rendering resources managed by the Windows operating system. Think of it like a single stage where different acts can perform without building new stages each time. When you switch from one virtual desktop to another, Windows hides the windows on the previous desktop but keeps their graphical contexts active. This means the windows are still running and using resources, even if you can't see them. The system just changes what is visible on the screen, not how the windows are rendered or stored. The Desktop Window Manager, or debullium, plays a big role here. It is a core feature that handles the composition and rendering of all windows. The debullium keeps graphical buffers for every window, regardless of which virtual desktop they belong to. So, even if a window is on a desktop you are not currently viewing, its graphical data remains in memory and ready to display instantly when you switch back. This setup allows for quick switching between desktops without delays. Windows does not need to recreate graphical resources each time you change desktops. Instead, it simply updates what is visible, making the process smooth and efficient. Applications continue to run and render in the background, whether their windows are visible or not. Some applications, especially Universal Windows Platform apps, might be suspended or slow down when not visible. This is a feature of the app design and Windows resource management, not the virtual desktop system itself. It helps save system resources but doesn't affect the core way Windows manages graphical contexts. In essence, Windows virtual desktops do not isolate or create separate graphical environments. They rely on a shared graphical system, controlling what is shown on the screen by managing window visibility and focus. This approach keeps your system running efficiently while giving you the flexibility to organize your workspace with multiple desktops.